Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you log in to your Minecraft server or multiplayer world and discover that everyone's custom avatars have been replaced by the default Steve or Alex models, your game is experiencing the infamous Steve glitch. I will show you exactly how to bypass these skin restrictions and fix your player models right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason you cannot see your friend's custom skins in the Bedrock edition is a hidden multiplayer safety setting that automatically blocks unverified character models. Open your Minecraft settings from the main menu, scroll down the left sidebar, and click on the Profile or General tab, depending on your exact game version. Look for the toggle specifically labeled Only Allow Trusted Skins and turn it completely off. This instantly forces your game client to download and display all custom skins from other players, regardless of whether they were purchased from the official marketplace. Next, if you are playing on a custom multiplayer server and every single person is still permanently stuck as Steve, a broken server mod or add-on is overriding the base player data. Specifically, any Bedrock add-on that modifies the core player.json file to add custom animations or health bars will completely break the game's ability to render personalized skins. If you are the server owner, you must temporarily disable your behavior packs one by one, especially those that alter player movements, and restart the server to isolate which mod is causing the glitch. Finally, if you are playing the Java edition and your own skin refuses to load in single-player or multiplayer, your game launcher has likely lost connection to the official Mojang skin servers. Completely close out of Minecraft and open your dedicated Minecraft launcher. Click on your profile name or picture in the corner, explicitly select Log Out, and then immediately sign back in with your Microsoft account credentials. This forcefully refreshes your authentication token and tells the game engine to re-download your custom skin file from the server the next time you launch the game. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.